Okay, everyone, I just wanted to walk you through our course. This is our course homepage, and this is what you'll see when you log in through eCore. This is our announcements. Our announcements will be displayed there, at least one, if not two announcements per week. So you should check those every day or every other day. Our syllabus can be found here, but since I am in student view, it won't show that to me right now. So make sure you click on the syllabus. One of the most important things it has in there is a colorful course calendar checklist for you to utilize. You can also click here to see our calendar in different formats here. So you can see here that the first thing is going to be due on the 18th. And these are the things that are due. And if you click on each one, it will show you that. Our content, if you go to our content, you'll see over here, the first thing you want to do is click on Start Here. And it tells you that we'll be using Respondus Lockdown Browser for your midterm and your final in here. And that will be all set up through the system that we will use for our math and our learning is ALEKS. Okay. So that's what it has there for. And you also have a practice quiz for that. Everything will be, you'll just run right through that as you walk through the Start Here module. So let me go. Here's the welcome page. Well, let's see what else. Here's the welcome page. So make sure you read this. And again, another link to the syllabus, the calendar. Let's see if it tells you what's on the syllabus here. It tells you what's in our calendar, what your attendance requirements are. You need to make sure that you complete the first two things, which are mandatory to show that you're going to stay in this class. That's the attendance quiz and introduction discussion to introduce yourself to your classmates, and then our academic honesty policy here at eCore. Okay, and then you can always just click the forward button, or you can go back to the beginning. If I click the forward button here, it does take me into the syllabus, but that's going to not show us that right now. And there's the mandatory quiz that you'll need to take. And here's the introduction. So if you just continue to walk through, you can see here we're still at the Start Here module. Continue to walk through that. Here's some eCourse support should you need it. And it walks you through everything. Technical support. Okay, so now it has us to the ALEKS resources. You have no fee for that. This is how you will do all the mathematics and all the practice and all the graded work in this course. And so you have a getting started page that you'll walk through. Make sure you watch all these videos. It tells you everything about how the things are graded and how ALEKS works. Okay, and then you can come back up, click the right button, and it will take you to ALEKS. And if I click the right button again, it tells us about the third-party privacy, security, and accessibility statements for ALEKS and eCampus, eCore. And then let me show you how each thing works. So now it's taking us into Unit 1 to get you started. You have an introduction and advanced organizer for every unit that will walk you through. There's actually a video there when you go in, tells you everything that's going to be covered and what activities you are to do. So for Unit 1, you'll do Lesson 1-1, there are key concepts, interactive video practice, and then your ALEKS homework. Same thing for 1-2, and then a quiz for Unit 1. Each unit is set up in that same manner. And so when you continue on to get to 1-1, you'll see here's your key concepts, here's your interactive video, and the practice that it was just telling you about. And then once you have done that, you will go into the activities, which if you'll see when you click on those, you see here it says that it's an external learning tool. Those are the things that you'll go out into ALEKS to complete. We'll look at ALEKS in a moment. In addition to that, I wanted to show you that you can get to your there's only one assignment in the course, and it's really just called an assignment. And that is where at the end of the semester, if you would like to get bonus points, you can take it and submit a photo about your course survey that you take at the very end of the semester. That's the only thing under assignments. Under quizzes, we have a mandatory attendance quiz. And then the other thing that will be listed there is our Mindset Learning Project activities. Those will all be found under quizzes. Under communication, you can click announcements from there, but they're also at our course homepage, and all the discussions will be listed there as well. Your resources get you to your student portal, a calendar, the checklist. There's actually a checklist for the course listed here as well. When you go into it, this is your stuff for eCampus, and here's your free tutoring button. If you click there, when you're in your course, if you click the STEM tutors, you'll be able to choose quantitative skills and reasoning, and you'll get one of our embedded tutors. Otherwise, you can go here and click on tutor.com, and it will take you to tutor.com, where you can get free assistance with all of our math, 24 hours, 7 days a week there. And that's pretty much all from our homepage. You can email me from here if you'd like. So you would just click email and email me from there. You'll see your instructor listed there when you go into the course. Okay, so here is what ALEKS looks like. I'm going to show you what the student view looks like, but it's not going to show us much because you have to go through. So make sure you click to ALEKS from our course. And then it won't show me much here for ALEKS because you have to take the initial knowledge check first before it lets you into everything. Make sure you also realize that the book is located within ALEKS as well, the book for the course. So let me go back to our eCore course here and show you how to make sure that you know how to get to ALEKS from within our D2L course. That is how you will always access ALEKS. You can read the getting started here, and it tells you everything. And then the way that you will get to ALEKS from within our course is you just go to any of our course content that is in ALEKS. So let's say Unit 1. And when I go to Unit 1 to go into ALEKS, I'll show you right here. Like I go into 1.1, the key concepts, and you'll see definitions, notations, and examples. And as you go through that, when you're finished with that, then you have some interactive practice problems from within our course. And then when you're completed with that, it will take you to the activities to complete in ALEKS, and you'll be able to click from here. But since it doesn't start till January 12th, since the course doesn't start yet, you don't see anything there. So I hope that helps you get started. I'm really excited about this semester. Know that I'm a real person and I'm here to help you at any time that you need it.